Alpha, seamless fleet insurance solutions. Fleet operations, power industries, keeping businesses moving and supply chains running. But with vehicles on the road every day, risks are unavoidable. Accidents, theft, escalating repair costs, and operational downtime can all impact business efficiency. Alpha's fleet insurance solutions provide comprehensive vehicle protection, efficient claims handling, and flexible coverage options, helping brokers offer their clients tailored and effective insurance solutions. Alpha provides financial security against collision damage, theft, hijacking, third-party liability, and accidental loss, ensuring businesses remain on the road without unnecessary delays. Policies are designed to cover trucks, delivery vans, passenger transport, and commercial fleets, offering tailored protection that aligns with fleet operators' needs. In addition to vehicle coverage, Alpha also offers comprehensive goods-in-transit insurance, protecting cargo against loss or damage while in transit. Whether transporting high-value goods, perishable items, or general freight, GIT cover ensures clients are protected from risks such as theft, hijacking, and collision-related damage. With flexible limits and cover options, brokers can tailor GIT policies to meet each client's operational needs and cargo risk profile, adding an extra layer of protection to every trip. Keeping fleets operational is at the core of Alpha's approach. Vehicle downtime means lost revenue, delayed deliveries, and increased operational costs. To minimize disruptions and reduce repair expenses, Alpha has integrated its insurance solutions with its industry-leading parts procurement department. This initiative streamlines the repair process by sourcing OEM replacement parts directly from manufacturers, eliminating unnecessary markups and reducing procurement costs by 30 to 35%. By working with an approved repair network, Alpha ensures that vehicles are restored quickly and to manufacturer-approved standards, maintaining their safety, performance, and resale value. A fast and transparent claims process is essential to keeping fleets operational. Alpha is committed to swift, solution-driven claims handling, ensuring vehicles are repaired or replaced as efficiently as possible. Dedicated claims specialists provide proactive support, clear communication, and fast settlements, minimizing downtime and helping businesses recover quickly. Brokers partnering with Alpha gain access to specialist fleet insurance expertise, dedicated support teams, and a streamlined policy administration system that simplifies coverage management. The team equips brokers with the tools, knowledge, and competitive solutions needed to expand their portfolios while ensuring their clients receive best-in-class vehicle protection. Underwritten by Guardrisk Insurance Company, Alpha merges independent agility with corporate financial strength, providing brokers and fleet operators with the financial security, risk resilience, and operational confidence needed to navigate a challenging transport industry. Alpha is more than just an insurer. It is a strategic partner in fleet protection, providing innovative solutions that help brokers and fleet operators secure their vehicles, optimize repair costs, and maintain operational efficiency. The commitment to collaboration, competitive pricing, and seamless claims handling makes Alpha the preferred partner for brokers and businesses that rely on their fleets to keep moving forward. Partner with South Africa's trusted fleet insurance provider today. Visit the Alpha website to explore customized coverage solutions designed to protect fleet assets, optimize repair costs, and keep vehicles on the road. Alpha, protecting futures, mitigating risks.